Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home. Welcome back to the Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host today, and we're diving into a story that's got the crypto world buzzing. 10% off the charts for Bitcoin. That's right, folks. The value of the world's most valuable digital currency has plummeted by roughly 10% in just a few days, taking it below $93,000 on Coinbase. What's behind this sudden sell-off? Well, let's start with some numbers. As you can see from our charts here at Bitcoin Bulletin, Bitcoin was trading hands for around $102,700 just yesterday. But now that number has dropped to nearly $92,500. Now, if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, you might be wondering what makes Bitcoin so valuable in the first place. It's because it uses a technology called blockchain, which allows for secure and transparent transactions without needing any middlemen. But now, let's get into why this sudden decline is happening. According to our experts at Altalfa Digital, strong U.S. job data and PMI figures released recently have led to a reassessment of expectations regarding interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve for 2025. Now, that might sound like a lot of technical jargon, but essentially it means that investors are thinking differently about what the Fed will do next. The problem is when interest rates go up, risk assets like Bitcoin often fall in value too. So as bond yields rise, investors become less willing to put money to work in risk-on assets like Bitcoin. And if you look at how closely Bitcoin correlates with U.S. technology stocks, it's clear why this is happening. But before we dive into the details, let me give a quick shout out to our viewers who have reached out and shared their thoughts on social media using the hashtag #BitcoinBulletin. We love hearing from you, so be sure to keep those questions coming. Now, where were we? Yes, the impact of rising interest rates on risk assets. So, according to Jacob Joseph, senior research analyst at CData, 25 has started slowly for the crypto industry, and Bitcoin has continued to trend downward since the beginning of the week. But don't think this is all doom and gloom just yet. Our experts are pointing out that there's still plenty of reason to be optimistic about Bitcoin's future. In fact, Brett Seifling, a wealth manager at Gerber Kawasaki Wealth and Investment Management, sees an opportunity for Bitcoin to break out even higher if inflation stays under control. And speaking of inflation, that's going to be a key factor to watch in the coming weeks and months. The next job report and inflation data are just around the corner, and market observers will be keeping a close eye on those developments. So what does this mean for Bitcoin bulls out there? Well, according to Seifling, there is little to no hope for a rate cut at this point. But if we do get more rate cuts this year, then watch out. The all-time high could be on watch for a potential continued breakout. And that's it for today's episode of the Bitcoin Bulletin. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto news and analysis.